Hi, welcome to A2ZKnowledge.com. So in this video, we are going to discuss between the difference between deep learning, machine learning and artificial intelligence, and this is going to be a theory video. Okay. So first of all, these three topics have been so hot in the industry and everyone started speaking about this. So but the difference, the problem is people can't able to understand the difference between these three. Okay, it's hard technology to jump into it, but even though we want to be strong in basics and people start searching for what is artificial intelligence, then they will come to know somewhere machine learning, then they will search for what is the difference between AI and machine learning. So the confusion, they get more confusion, they can't able to make their base as so strong, and that is very important to jump into deep. Okay, so I will just give you a scenario. Okay, before that I want to tell you something. This deep learning, machine learning, artificial intelligence and everything comes under one single umbrella, and the umbrella name is predictive analysis. So predictive analysis is an umbrella where all these concepts jump into picture. These are all the concepts. So people can have a different perspective on what is these three things, but this is my perspective, and you want to tell something, you can tell in the comment box. You're welcome. I just welcome all your comments, and that need to be so decent. Okay, so now I will just give you an example. What is these three, the difference between? So there is a kid who is doing his schoolings, and I am just asking him, kid, if you study well, then you will become more intelligent. If you learn well, you will be more intelligent. So the same thing. I have a computer and I just want my computer to learn something and to give so I'm just writing some program. So with that help of program, the computer can learn all this stuff. And the computer learning is going something like extensively, it's learning everything, each and everything. Then my computer at some point of time, it will become intelligent, right? So you do some mistake and you will say like, I never gonna repeat the mistake. So you are taking a decision based on the experience what you have you have learned it. So that's how my computer has to learn based on the input. First what it gets, the machine gets, it has to learn it, and then it has to think about it, and it needs to become more intelligent. So machine learning is the first step before we jump into the artificial intelligence, where this deep learning comes into picture. Okay, I'm just asking the kid, if you learn 2 hours per day, you will be an intelligent guy. If you learn 8 hours per day, you will be more than that. That means I'm just asking my computer to learn in deep. Okay, so deep learning. So I have to tune the algorithms and the stuff. So for these three things, developing artificial intelligence, developing machine learning, and developing and deep learning, we have different languages and different frameworks, but end of the day, all these comes under the same umbrella. It's just a concept. So you write a program that your machine learns from it, and then you can call it as machine learning. Within a month, the same program you can call it as an artificial intelligence, the same program you can call it as a deep learning. But people who have not started deep into these technologies, people won't accept the statement when I say they can't able to digest it. But this is the fact. Once you jump into it, maybe within a 2-year or a 3-year, if you want to be a hardcore developer in this area, then you will come to know whatever I'm saying is strong. It's kind of a fact. It's a fact. So all these are concepts. So I just want to explain you what is the difference between these three with some kind of a good example. I tried it. I hope that you liked it. So if you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. And we provide many technology videos, not only in theory, we have practical as well. So it's in 2 languages, English and Tamil. Thanks for watching A2ZKnowledge.com.